Simpson mod Bandit helmet just came in. Bad ass helmet, that's all I gotta say. So let's go get the box, unbox it, and check it out. Let's go. I love this part right here. So let's check it out. See how it fits. Right now it's got the shaded visor down, and I think I'm gonna really like this. It's got a little lever on the side right here, and that's the way it should go up and down, just like that. Right. So this is an extra large. I'm usually a 2XL, but they say that you're supposed to go one size down for it to fit the right way. All right, fits good. I like it. So, got the visor right here. Oh yeah, this is nice. And so whenever I need to talk or say something or maybe get a drink, bring it up. Boom, we're good to go. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments. Super comfortable. I love the way this helmet doesn't smash my cheeks, and especially when I bring it down. When I bring it down, I'm still not getting my cheeks smashed in, which is, it's great. Fits super comfortable. Great helmet. Wow. Is that normal? That doesn't really sound right. So now click. I don't know. I'll try to figure it out. All right, so let's take off this clear shield. And so if you look closely, right underneath this, you have a little tab, and it shows, if you look closely, there's an arrow to the left and there's a C. So I take it, I think that's a C. So, and then there's an O for might be open. So let's go ahead and go towards the right. So that's what you want to do. So click that or push it in. And let's go to the right to the open position. And it should come up. Yep, that's it. Just like that. And so let's grab this. And let's go repeat the same process on the other side. So same thing. Let's go to the open, to the O, which is the left. So push in and go to the left. And that should, comes right off. Man, that was easy. All right, so here is our tinted shield. Looks like the shield is $54.95, and I also had I bought this at Cycle Gear, and I went ahead and had them install the clear little insert that goes inside. Not sure what it's called. If you guys know, just please comment. But it's to help prevent any fogging. I guess it's called pin something. You guys know. Just comment. You guys know what I'm talking about. All right, so here it is. So let's go ahead and repeat that process on this helmet. Let's put this one. Line it up, there you go, right, a little click. And line this up. Just like that. What do you guys think? Let's take off this sticker. All right. And there you have it. Okay, so you see there's no more clicking sound. It was probably something with the visor, maybe the shield. It wasn't put on right. All right, what do you guys think? What do you guys think, guys? Let me know in the comments. I'm liking it. I'm digging it. Super comfortable helmet. I think I'll be able to ride with this for a while. 11. Great fitment on this helmet. I got zero buffering. I love the way this fits. Super comfortable. Like I said, it's not smashing my cheeks. But I jumped on the freeway. I was doing about 85 miles an hour, 90. I got zero buffering. And man, I'm loving this helmet. All right, thanks guys. Catch you in the next one.